Now, Ghana's Supreme Court will start hearing legal arguments today on a proposed law that seeks to punish people identifying as LGBTQ with up to 3 years in prison. For more, Bloomberg's Ondiro Oganga in Kigali joins us now. Ondiro, it sounds like this bill is going to have huge implications, both socially and potentially financially as well. But maybe let's just start off with an overview of the details of the bill. What does it actually propose?
Joumanna, this bill proposes jail term for those who identify as LGBTQ, those who fund LGBTQ activities, and also advocacy. If you also know somebody who is in the queer community and you don't report them, you could also face consequences. And just to put this into context, nearly 35 African countries have made homosexuality activities illegal, but Ghana's bill is considered one of the harshest, right alongside Uganda's, that prescribes aggravated, or rather prescribes death for those convicted of aggravated homosexuality activities. And there has been consequences. In Uganda's case, for example, they were frozen out of the World Bank funding, and the U.S. excluded them from preferential trade status. And the same will apply to Ghana. The U.S. State Department has made it very clear that if this bill becomes law, it will have chilling effect on foreign direct investment and also tourism. The irony is their president is a human rights lawyer, and he's very smart. He knows that the consequences are coming. At the beginning of his tenure, he was very staunch against anti-LGBTQ, but right now he is lukewarm. When Vice President Kamala Harris was in Ghana, he said that he was hoping that Parliament would be sensitive to human rights, which just means that nobody knows whether the president will assent to this bill post the Supreme Court.
Ondiro, thank you so much. Also worth bearing in mind for anyone who's watching this, Ghana is in the middle of a restructuring program, $20 billion on the line here. Questions about World Bank are going to have to respond to this bill if it does actually get passed into law. So it is also interesting from a financial perspective.